Hi there, this is Kerckhoffs. Today I'm gonna color this piece here behind me. This is a 6x4 foot piece, stretch piece on canvas, and I'm gonna color with oil glazes. And the scene here depicts the stairs going down to the beach at Ponto Beach in Carlsbad, California. Okay, let's get started. I will start with the sky. This is a mix of liquin, a lot of liquin, and a little bit of phthalo blue. First, let's see if this is not too blue. I'm going to use this for most of the part of the sky. Maybe avoid it where the widest clouds are. I like it best where it's light gray. It's okay to go over the ocean because I'm going to add aqua over it a little bit later. Now I'm going to add a tiny bit of yellow to the blue glaze I have already. So this is going to turn it into an aqua color. This is looking good, maybe a little bit more yellow. Now, of course, I don't want to go over the horizon, above the horizon. And I'll wipe off a little bit of too much paint I put over here. Maybe use it over here. Again, I'm trying to avoid going over the railing. A little bit is okay though. I also don't want to go over the breaking water, the white of the breaking waves. I would like to keep those nice and white. and the color looks different enough from the sky. And that's it for the ocean. If it's too dark, we'll add more liquin. If it's too light, we add more paint. Let's start over here. That's pretty light. So we'll add a little bit more of burnt umber, because liquin itself has a little bit of a yellow look to it. I'd like to add a little bit more burnt umber. Let's see what this looks like. I like this. Opaque oils take a very long time to dry, maybe several weeks even, but liquin dries super fast. I think this piece could be dry within a couple of hours today. I'm getting all of the beach, including here in between the railings, all of this area too. And here also it's okay to go on the wooden poles, because they're going to be a lot darker later. A lot more saturated, that is. Up here, these are the campgrounds at South Carlsbad State Beach. And now I add more burnt sienna to what I have here already. Let's see what that looks like on the stairs here. That looks pretty good. I'm starting relatively light far away, and then I'll start adding more and more color as I come to the front. And as I approach the front, I'm adding more paint to the mix. And now I have to be more careful, not go over the line to go on the beach, because this color is quite different now. Now I'm adding a little bit of blue to the rocks, not too much, keeping it very subtle. now it's time to add some green to the leaves over here. And finally, as a finishing touch, I will add some rusty red to these metal pieces.